Hello, I'm Brent Wilsey, and with me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management. And as a reminder, if you like today's segment, please hit the like button, or better yet, share with your friends if you think they can learn from this as well. Well, today is St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day to you. But we got some information to kind of help you out. You may not know this, but 33.1 million U.S. residents have some relationship or some background to Irish or Ireland. But look at 7 times the population of Ireland. What's up with that?
It's pretty crazy. I mean, it really shows how small Ireland is, I guess.
That's right. I didn't realize how small it really was.
Yeah.
So, and a lot of people, they think they're Irish, though, right? Isn't that what you?
Yeah, I was saying, well, I mean, at least on St. Patrick's Day, I think most of the population likes to pretend they're Irish just for the sake of St. Patty's Day.
Could you imagine if only Irish people could only go out and party? It would be a good time. Speaking of partying, $4.4 billion is going to be spent today on the holiday. I didn't know it was that large. I mean, that's a pretty big spending time.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than I had anticipated as well. And, you know, if those people that weren't pretending to be Irish, I'm sure it would be a heck of a lot less. And, you know, I kind of wish I had like a green suit or something. I feel like I'm not in the spirit.
I wore green. I was
I think that your colorblind's kicking in. I don't think that's green.
I got green somewhere here. I thought somebody told me I had green on. So, but also I'm surprised about how much they spend on average per person.
Yeah, $35.40 is what the average partier will spend a day. And get this, guys on average spend $10 more than girls. Not really a big surprise there, but
not a big surprise there at all. No. And a lot of beer is going to be drank today, I guess.
Yeah, and in particular, Guinness. 13 million pints of Guinness will be consumed, and that's worldwide.
Wow.
13 million pints.
That's a lot of pints of beer there. So, all right, today I was very excited about the JOLTS reports, which is the Job Opening Labor Turnover Survey. And the openings surged to 5.541 million openings. That's a big jump.
Yeah, that was very good to see. We were happy to see that. The job openings rate, which is very important to follow, that was up. However, some kind of negative news here. The prior report was revised down to 5.281 million. The initial report came out at 5.607 million. So pretty big downward revision there. Didn't really like to see that.
And I'm wondering if that had anything to do with the holiday season, because you have the holiday workers that stay through January for returns and stuff. So maybe that's it. But still, we got to point out, it's still a very strong report. And also, I always like to look at the quits ratio, because this shows how people feel confident about, hey, I can quit a job and get another one. Down a little bit, but still pretty good.
Yeah, it fell 0.2%, but it's still coming in at 2%, and still a strong ratio there, and showing that people are feeling comfortable. Hey, I think I can go take this other job.
Yeah. So, and then also what we do every day we show you a new company, and then in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, we looked at Diageo. DEO is the symbol. You can see kind of up here around 130 or so, down about 109. The big question: should you jump into it now or not?
Yeah, and the reason we looked at this company, why they own Guinness. So that is why we want to take a look at them, see if that 13 million pints will pay off for them today.
Well, I'm sure there's other things too that people will drink as well. But the current price around $109 a share, 52-week high 122, the low about 100. So not too far off the low there to the high. Their earnings are doing pretty good, up 27%.
Yeah, I was happy to see this company's doing a great job with their profit margin and earnings. As you can see, earnings were up 27% in the last 12 months, and the industry was down 25%. So very interesting there. Earnings for their company up, industry down. I always want to know why that happened. One thing that really stood out to me too was the profit margin, 21.4% versus the industry average of 9.72%. So they're doing a great job making money.
Right. And I do want to point out the reason we don't buy this company, being an overseas company, is two reasons. One, the currency fluctuation. The company doing great, but currency going the wrong direction. You're going to lose money on it. Also, the accounting. I like GAAP accounting, which is our U.S. accounting. The world accounting, I don't understand it. I always tell people, if you don't understand something, stay away from it. Don't pretend you know the accounning. You probably don't. That's why I stay away from it.
Yeah, because they don't have to file with the SEC, which means they don't have to apply to those GAAP standards. And, that is one reason we don't like the company. Also, taking a look at their target price here, 2017 estimated earnings per share are estimated to be $5.68, giving us a target price of $94, below the current price of $109. That and the international thing here is kind of a letdown. I do love Guinness, but got to stay away from the company.
And you mentioned too about no SEC filings. Those are very important documents. You get a lot of information from them. It's kind of like you're in the dark without knowing what's going on.
Yeah, exactly. So again, I'll drink the beer today probably, but definitely not going to buy the stock.
Exactly. So, okay, so maybe you think this investing thing is pretty hard, and it is hard. I mean, there's a lot behind the scenes. It's not just like, oh, buy this stock because it's great. No, there's a lot of research goes on. If this is confusing for you, you want to come in and talk about it for a free consultation, give us a call here at 858-546-4306 or go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com.
Be sure to go to that website now so you can sign up for our upcoming workshop this Saturday, March 19th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
2 days away.
2 days, getting crazy. We will be hosting it at National University in Rancho Bernardo. And at the workshop, we'll show you how you should invest in 2016. Very important there. We'll be analyzing a stock that could potentially be a buy in our portfolio. That company is Qualcomm, big name. We'll be reviewing stock fundamental analysis and why it's successful. We'll be showing you when to buy and sell a stock and going over the 5 common mistakes the average investor makes.
Hope to see you there, and don't forget to hit that like button.